Thank you again for landing into the video. Thank you again to see another adventure. So today ride is little bit specific. So today we will be going to the one of the cafes which is highly recommended by the bikers mostly in Ireland. So today we'll be going there and see why it's so highly recommended. So yeah, the day started quite good. Weather is mediumish, so I'm really happy about it. Yesterday there was a bad heat wave. Believe me, legitly I was almost dead, almost. But yeah, today is the day where I can ride peacefully. Like yesterday the temperature was around 25 26, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, I was dying, believe me, I was. So that's the thing, like I love little windy weather. Like it has to be little cold, kind of a balanced out. But something tells me there has to be 2-3 weeks among the year where you have to like really suffer out in the weather. But that's okay, no complaints. And yeah, so I'm 100% sure we will be touching the same Wicklow mountains as we do touch, as I did touch, I think, in the last video. But yeah, it might be more detailed today. At least we know where we are going. That's the whole reason. One daring lady between the traffic who crossed with the cycle. Good. Keep going. Oh man, walk fast. Patience. Walk fast, guys. Yes. Why there has to be Chinese people crossing the roads always? Even I do that. I was just being little sarcastic, guys. So let's see how far we have to go, how far we have to reach. So we have reached almost Bellington. We have crossed Bellington and we are near somewhere Valley Mount Wicklow. And there's some construction going on, so there's a temporary signal in the road, so we are just stopping for that. Just look at it, like how quiet it is. Just like take back and relax, take a moment for yourself. Now it's green and we have to move. So our main destination is almost 6 kilometers. That's a good news. Welcome to country Kildare. Kildare. I can't tell you, I'm taking my bike off after so long that my battery was dead. Like there was no battery left. Like I had to put the battery out, recharge separately. So yeah, it was almost 1 month if I remember. I didn't use the bike. So that was a little bit long period. And thankfully, thank you to my friend, he helped me with the charger. Oh man, I was so glad that I was able to charge and get it running. And it's been officially 4 months since I'm waiting for my driving test, which is not a successful motion till now. So in Ireland it's a complicated process, and still I have like almost how much then yeah, first my invitation will come, then I have to book a slot, like a date from it. It's like a hideous big process. So almost 2.7 kilometers left to my destination. That gives me a boost to not increase my speed but to get to the formation. Oh man, it's 100 kmph and I'm not able to touch it. Guys, it's not about speed, it's about journey. Yeah, people say that, but come on. Almost there, and my destination is almost there in 200 meters. You go here, you have to stop to look right, you have to look left, then it is somewhere here. That's the destination, Hollywood Cafe. I believe there is no space to park it over here, so I have to park the vehicle inside.
Warm strings glide through the air, percussion whispers barely there, guitar notes dance.
So Hollywood Cafe was as per the expectation. Good food, quiet and chill atmosphere, lovely stuff. So now we are heading back. So the Hollywood Cafe route connects to the Glendo Valley route. So next time if we are going into that particular route, we can directly come here as well. Once we are planning to do a long ride in those cases. So for today we'll be heading back at the moment, and we will see what else we can do if something comes in the mind. So yeah, let's move our journey forward and see what draw brings to our right. Until then, at the moment we're climbing in some hill. I love this part. Mostly, I believe we are heading towards the Tala. Just look at this. First you can see like the Dublin city industrialized in a beautiful manner, like this view, with particular view, like Dublin.